Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when HP printer is not working and the error code is 0x0000007f. Operation could not be completed. So if you're receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run the printer troubleshooter. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, and then click on additional troubleshooter, and click on printer, and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is done, restart your computer and then try to make a printout. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can start Print Spooler service. So type in services in Windows search box and then click on services app. Find Print Spooler service. So scroll down and here you can see Print Spooler. Make a double click on Print Spooler. Make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. With Print Spooler services selected, click on restart or start, and once done, try to make a printout. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, clear and reset the Print Spooler. So first of all, you have to go ahead and stop the Print Spooler service. So again, type in services in Windows search box, click on services app, and then find Print Spooler once again. Make a right click on Print Spooler and then click on stop. And once done, you can go ahead and go to this location, copy this location. The location is provided in the video description. Copy this, paste it in the search box, go to this location, open this folder and select everything from this folder and delete everything. So select everything and then make a right click, then click on delete. Once deleted, restart the Print Spooler service. So come back to services, make a right click, then click on start, and then try to make a printout. Now the next step is to install this update. So if you have Windows 10 version 2004, then install this update. So first of all, go to this website. This is a Microsoft update catalog website. So go to this website. Now you have to go ahead and check which version you have. So you can go ahead and open run box. So just type in run in Windows search box, open run box and then type in WINDIR, that is WINVER, and then click on OK. And here you can see the version. So right now it's 20H2 in my case. So in your case, if you have version 2004 or 1909 or 1903, you have to go ahead and select these updates. So if you have 2004, copy this update. So everything is provided in the video description. So copy this and then paste it in the search box and then click on search. And then select your update as per your computer. So in my case is Windows 10. It's x64 based system. So you can go ahead and check what kind of system you have. And then you can go ahead and you can check this what kind of system you have from settings. Go to settings and then click on about system. And then after system, you click on about. And here you can see it's right now my computer is 64 based system, x64 based processor. So here you can see it's Windows 10 version 2004 x64 based system. Click on download and then click on this hyperlink. Now if nothing is happening when you click on it, then make a right click, then click on save link as, and then select the location, click on save, and then click on up arrow and then click on keep. Once the download is complete, run this, click on it and then install the update. So if you have version 1909, install this update. 1903, install this update. In case if you have, once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to make a printout. Now in case if you have the latest version of Windows 10, in my case it's 20H2 right now. So in case if you have the latest version, in that case copy this link and you can use media creation tool to update your computer to the latest version. So open this website, download this tool, and after you download this tool, run this exe file, and you have to go ahead and select the option which says update your PC, upgrade your PC, and then update your system using media creation tool, and then you can try to make a printout. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall the latest driver for your printer from HP website. So first of all, you have to go ahead and uninstall the printer driver from device manager. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on device manager. Now under the print queues, here you can find your printer. So make sure that you select your printer. So once you select your printer, make a right click, then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall. And also uninstall it from apps and feature. So just type in apps and feature in Windows search box and then click on apps and features, and then scroll down and select your printer. Make sure that you select your printer driver. Once you select your printer driver, this is just an example, just click on uninstall. So make sure that you select your printer driver from here and then uninstall it, then restart your computer, and after that reinstall the printer driver from HP website. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in on a browser. Once you open the link, enter your model number for your printer, then click on submit, or you can select your model number from here. I'm just selecting random model number, and then from here you can go ahead and install your printer driver from HP website. And once installation is done, set up your printer once again and then try to make a printout. Now if nothing is working, you can take a help from Microsoft Virtual Agent. So you can copy this link and then open this link in a browser. Over here you can have a chat with Virtual Agent, and you can enter your the error code, whatever you're facing. You just enter it over here and it will provide you troubleshooting steps, and that should go ahead and help you to fix the problem. So one of the errors should definitely help you to get the printer working, your HP printer working. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.